How to connect n8n with Cloud API. To do that, first head over to Cloud API, the platform, and you should be able to see and hear this. Click on the Start Building, and you will be asked to go over to the console Anthropic. To this page right here, just proceed to log in into your Cloud. You should be able to see and hear this part. Click on this Get API, and in here you can see that we have this. In order to get an API, you need to actually buy the Cloud for around $5. Once you get the API, head over right here to your actual n8n and click on this plus icon. And click on the search nodes right here. You can see this Anthropic. So Claude is actually Anthropic, so let's click onto this right here. Just choose right here the action that you want. On my case, let's head over and choose right here this message a model. Now after that, just click on this credential, click on create new, and then in here we have the base URL. Just enter right here the API key in order to connect them both together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.